Hey there, welcome back and thanks for joining me. All my supplies and equipment are down in the description box below, and there are links with them. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, hit that notification bell. Let you know when the new videos come out. And all questions and likes, comments are welcomed. Okay, let's try some weird colors. I don't know. I'm in a mood. I just want to play, and I want to play with colors. So I've got the pitch black. We'll put it down in the center. Get it dried. Now, here is another thing you can do. Sometimes I don't want that pitch black that concentrated. So let's do this instead. So I'll do that with something else. But this is what I do. I put it down. I'll take another one, smush it, and then it's a lot thinner. So then you got two to go. All right, so that's always an idea. I do that a lot with cards. So I'm going to use mushroom. I don't know why. It just, something struck me about it. So we're going to do that with the Blanco. Question is, do I do white or the color first? And you know, I didn't even have to do the black, but I did. Let's just go with it. I'm going to do the white first, then this. This is a Tim Holtz blowing tool. Oh, I like that. Okay, so that was good. Because I'm thinking, you know, sometimes I do just these two, and I don't do a black center, but I'm liking that. Especially since this is coming out brown. I thought from this look, because I hadn't worked with mushroom a whole lot, it was more of a gunmetal looky thing, but no, it's brown. That's going to be striking. So anyway, let's keep going. Now I've got that as far as I want. I'm going to pull back on it. This is pretty. Wow, I did not expect. Now there's a lot of ways to blow these, and I'm going to do them here. Okay, I kind of lost my train of thought. Oh my goodness, what in the world? All right, so here, the first one we're going to do is just blow it out like this. Okay, that's what we're doing on this one. All right, see how that just blows it out. Now this one, oh, it's going to be one of those videos where I just crack myself up. This is terrible. The next one I'm going to blow out, but then I'm going to come in this side, and make it fold kind of like this. So I'm going to go out, in. Gives it a different petal look. So that's pretty cool. Now this is where I go round two. Some places I might not go over, some I might. I'm definitely going over that because it looks funny. I think I want one right here. Now, somebody drug their thing right through it, so I've got a scratch, so I need to do that over. But I don't want a whole lot. I'm not going to do the whole petal. I just want it to kind of cover a little bit. And it didn't do a great job. But it is everyday painting problems, right? This is turning out to be really pretty. Okay, let's see what I want to do. Kind of want one right here. Okay, so the center, I left some of that, not on purpose, but it's the straight black. So here's what I'm gonna do. I don't want to totally mess up that blend right there, so I'm not sure. And I don't really want to go another round. You could do that. I could put a petal here and a petal here, but I'm liking the look of that. So yeah, I don't want to do another row. So with that, I either have a couple choices. I can go over it with a Posca and kind of do it that way, or a yellow marker and kind of mess it up that way, or I think I want to do a lighter thing. So let's do the Posca pen. And I've got a micro brush. You could do a regular stiff paintbrush, just anything to mess it up where it's not dots. So I've done that with both paintbrushes, and I kind of like, look here, here's a cheapo weirdo thing. I'm gonna use that. So let me go in here and do this. Now I'm pushing down kind of hard and I do not like it. So let's do something different. I don't like that. And for those who hadn't seen me before, no, I do not work this out before I do it. I just kind of wing it and I have fun. And I learn, because every time I mess up or just do something that goes wonky, I learn. Now that is picking up. And that's pulling up some really odd colors. So I'm going to do this. No, wrong brown. That'll work. That looks good. Yeah, that chocolate brown glittered, not the ticket. And I don't even want much of this. I just want it to kind of mess it up. That looks cool. Okay, I do want to do some more. Where is my glue? This is tacky glue. Love it. I'm gonna dot some here. It's thick. Real thick. There we go. Now I'm going to do that. Yeah, I like these colors together. Yeah, when they have glitter on sale, I have to get some. I'm not a big glitter lover, but apparently I like it enough to have a bunch of them. Okay, that is pretty. And I want to do this because I don't like it being straight. Okay, here's the tiniest of these. I'm going to do this. There. All right, that's pretty cool. I don't even know that I'm going to put leaves on it. That, okay. Well, go have fun. Go have fun with some glitter in a place that you don't mind getting glitter everywhere. But, geez, I like that. Hey, I hope I gave you some ideas. I got some. So, go have fun.